Tonight, the Maverick would like to publicly express my personal, unequivocal support for young Brianna Williams in this her time of trouble. First of all, Brianna is a 17-year-old minor, and whatever decision was made, whatever indiscretion was committed, that led to this substance getting into her system must have been done with adult consultation and authorization. The next thing is the circumstantial nature of the evidence in this case. We all heard from trials that Brianna had flu when she pulled out of the 200. The flu medication which she was given and took was declared on the doping control form. We are now being told that the banned substance, hydrochlorothiazide, was not listed on the package of the medicine. So I know nothing she'd hide. We are also hearing from her attorney that independent tests on the medication in question have revealed that the very same banned substance is in that medication. No one more, no one here. All of those things considered, I would personally let her off scotch-free. Nothing more than a public warning. Personally, I think Brianna Williams, because of her innate competitiveness and her warrior mentality, will learn from this little glitch and rebound to become the superstar and champion she's destined to be. Dear Brianna, you see this little thing here? Trust me, it's going to make you stronger.
You make me stronger.
Yes. It will make you stronger. Trust me.
You make me stronger.